Jake, have you seen the news lately? Everyone's talking about artificial intelligence taking jobs.
I know. My social media feed is full of people either super excited or really scared about AI. It's confusing.
Right? So, I spent the last week researching what's actually happening with AI, especially in America, and I have to say, the reality is different from what people think.
Different how? Should we be worried or excited?
Both, actually. But here's what's interesting. AI is creating more opportunities for people like us who are learning English and looking for ways to grow.
Wait, AI creates opportunities? Everyone says it's taking jobs away.
That's the narrative in the media. But let me share what I discovered. Can I walk you through this?
Please do. I need to understand this because it's affecting everyone.
Okay, so first, let's talk about what's actually happening in America right now. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft are racing to develop better AI tools.
Like ChatGPT and those AI image generators.
Exactly. And here's what Americans are worried about. Studies suggest that AI could impact up to 300 million jobs globally over the next decade.
That's terrifying. What kind of jobs?
Mostly repetitive tasks. Data entry, basic customer service, simple writing, bookkeeping, some graphic design work, jobs that follow predictable patterns.
So, should people in those jobs panic?
Here's the thing. AI doesn't replace jobs entirely, it changes them. For example, instead of a customer service rep handling 20 simple questions a day, AI handles those simple questions, and the human rep focuses on 5 complex problems that need human empathy and judgment.
So, humans are still needed, but for different tasks.
Exactly. And that's where the opportunity lies. The people who learn to work with AI will thrive. The people who resist it will struggle.
Okay, but how do we work with AI, especially if we're still improving our English?
Great question. Let me give you real examples. I started using ChatGPT to help me improve my English writing.
How does that work?
I write an email or article in English, then I ask ChatGPT to review it for grammar mistakes, suggest better words, make it sound more natural. It's like having a free English tutor 24/7.
That's actually brilliant. So AI is helping you learn English faster?
Yes, and that's opportunity number 1. Use AI as a learning accelerator. Americans who already speak perfect English might not need this, but for us, it's game-changing.
What else? Give me more opportunities.
Opportunity number 2, AI-assisted content creation. Remember, we talked about making money through freelance writing?
Yeah, I'm doing that now.
Well, with AI, you can work 3x faster. You can use AI to research topics, outline articles, suggest headlines, check facts. You're still the creative mind, but AI speeds up the process.
So instead of writing 2 articles per day, I could write 6?
Possibly. And that means 3x more income. Some freelancers are already doing this.
That's amazing. What's opportunity 3?
Opportunity 3, learning to use AI tools themselves is becoming a valuable skill. Companies are desperate to find people who understand AI tools and can train others.
Wait, people get paid to teach AI tools?
Yes, it's called AI training or AI prompt engineering. Basically, you learn how to communicate effectively with AI to get the best results. Then you teach others or work for companies, helping them implement AI.
And these jobs pay well?
Very well. Entry-level AI trainers can make $50,000 to $80,000 per year in the U.S. Senior ones make over $100,000.
And you practice English constantly because you're writing prompts and explanations in English.
Exactly. See how this all connects? Opportunity 4. AI is creating entirely new job categories.
Like what?
AI ethicist, AI content reviewer, AI quality tester, synthetic data creator, AI product manager. These jobs didn't exist 5 years ago.
And someone from any country can do these jobs if they have good English?
Many of them, yes, because they're remote friendly. American companies are hiring globally for AI-related roles.
This is wild. So while everyone's scared, we should be preparing?
Exactly. Opportunity 5, AI is making entrepreneurship easier. You can use AI to start a business with minimal investment.
How so?
Let's say you want to start an online tutoring business. AI can help you create your website, write your marketing content, design your logo, manage your schedule, even create practice materials for students.
Things that used to cost thousands of dollars.
Exactly. Now you can do it for free or very cheap. The barrier to entry is so much lower.
But here's what I don't understand. If AI can do all this, why would anyone hire humans?
Because AI lacks something crucial: cultural understanding, emotional intelligence, creativity, and the ability to connect ideas in unique ways.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, AI can write a generic article about how to save money, but only a human who understands the economic situation in a specific country, cultural attitudes towards money, current trends, and real personal experiences can write something truly valuable.
So humans add the context and personality that AI can't.
Exactly. And that's why hybrid skills are so valuable. English proficiency plus AI knowledge plus your unique perspective equals high income potential.
Okay, so let's talk about the scary part. What jobs are genuinely at risk?
Jobs that are purely repetitive with no creative or strategic element. Basic data entry where you just copy information, simple image editing that follows templates, generic product descriptions.
What should people in those jobs do?
Upskill immediately. Learn to use AI tools. Add creative or strategic thinking to your work. Specialize in a niche. Focus on relationship building aspects.
Basically, become more human in your work?
Yes, emphasize the skills AI can't replicate. Empathy, creativity, strategic thinking, relationship management, cultural understanding.
Let's talk about something practical. How is AI changing the way Americans communicate and work?
Great question. I've noticed several trends. First, emails are getting shorter and more direct because AI helps summarize information.
So we need to learn concise communication?
Exactly. Long, formal emails are out. Short, clear, action-oriented messages are in. That's actually easier for English learners.
That's actually helpful for learning too.
Yes. Another change, Americans are using AI for brainstorming. Instead of one person coming up with all the ideas, they use AI to generate options, then humans pick the best ones.
So creativity is becoming more about curation than creation?
In some ways, yes. You need good judgment to pick what AI generates. That's a skill in itself.
What about education? How is AI impacting how Americans learn?
Huge changes. Students use AI tutors that explain concepts in multiple ways until they understand. Teachers use AI to create personalized lesson plans. Self-learners use AI to get instant feedback.
So traditional memorization and generic education is becoming obsolete?
Absolutely. Now it's about understanding concepts, thinking critically, and applying knowledge. Memorizing facts is pointless when AI can recall anything instantly.
This is a massive shift in how we think about learning.
It is, and for us learning English, it's perfect timing. We can focus on practical communication rather than memorizing grammar rules.
Okay, let's get controversial. Some people say AI will make humans lazy and dependent. What do you think?
I think it depends on how you use it. If you use AI to avoid thinking, yes, you'll become lazy. But if you use AI to handle tedious tasks so you can focus on creative and strategic work, you'll become more productive.
So it's a tool, and tools can be used well or poorly.
Exactly. A calculator didn't make mathematicians lazy, it freed them to solve bigger problems. AI is the same.
Fair point. Now, financial question. Is AI creating wealth inequality? Are rich companies getting richer while people suffer?
That's the big debate in America right now. Some argue AI benefits mainly big tech companies. Others say AI democratizes opportunity because anyone can access powerful tools for free or cheap.
Which side are you on?
Honestly, both are happening. Big companies are making massive profits from AI, but individuals who adapt quickly can also benefit enormously.
So it's a race to adapt.
Exactly. The window is open right now. 5 years from now, using AI will be expected, not special. But today, if you have good English and understand AI, you're ahead of the curve.
That's motivating. What specific skills should people focus on right now?
3 key skills. First, learn prompt engineering, how to communicate effectively with AI to get the results you want.
That's basically advanced English communication.
Exactly. Second, understand data interpretation. AI gives you information, but you need to analyze what it means and make decisions.
Critical thinking skills?
Yes. And third, build your personal brand and network. AI can't replace relationships and trust.
So technical skills, thinking skills, and people skills.
Perfect summary. Now, let me share some immediate action steps for anyone watching this.
Yes, let's get practical.
Action 1. Create a ChatGPT account today if you haven't already. It's free. Start experimenting with it for your English learning and work.
What should they ask it?
Ask it to explain concepts you don't understand. Ask it to review your English writing. Ask it for project ideas. Ask it to help you plan your career development.
And by doing this, you practice English question formation and learn to communicate clearly.
Exactly. Action 2. Follow AI news and trends. Spend 15 minutes daily reading about AI developments.
Where should they read?
Websites like TechCrunch, The Verge, MIT Technology Review, or follow AI experts on Twitter. And yes, reading this content improves your English while keeping you informed.
What's action 3?
Identify how AI can improve your current situation. Are you a student? Use AI for learning. Are you working? Use AI to automate boring tasks. Are you job searching? Use AI to write better resumes and cover letters.
Make it personal and relevant.
Yes. Action 4. Join online communities discussing AI. Reddit has r/artificial and r/ChatGPT. Discord has AI servers. Engage in discussions in English.
Practice English while learning about AI. 2 birds, 1 stone.
Exactly. And final action, experiment with creating something using AI. Write an article with AI assistance. Create images with Midjourney. Build a simple website with AI help.
Learning by doing.
Yes, you'll understand AI's capabilities and limitations much better through hands-on experience.
Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Some people watching might think, this is all great for tech-savvy people, but I'm not technical. Is AI relevant for me?
Absolutely relevant. You don't need to be technical. If you can type a question in English, you can use AI. It's literally that simple.
Can you give examples for non-technical fields?
Sure. Teachers can use AI to create lesson plans. Artists can use AI for inspiration. Writers can use AI to overcome writer's block. Small business owners can use AI for marketing. Parents can use AI to help with kids' homework.
So everyone can benefit regardless of their field.
Exactly. AI is becoming as common as smartphones. You don't need to understand how it works internally. You just need to know how to use it for your goals.
That's reassuring. Now, final thoughts. Where do you see this going in the next 5 years?
I think we'll see AI become integrated into everything. Education, healthcare, entertainment, business. The people who embrace it early will have huge advantages.
And English will remain the primary language for AI.
For now, yes. Most AI training and development happens in English. Most online resources are in English. So strong English skills give you access to the best tools and information.
It's like English is the key that unlocks AI opportunities.
Perfect way to put it. That's why improving English isn't just about language, it's about accessing the future.
This has been eye-opening. So the message is, don't fear AI, learn to work with it.
Exactly. And for everyone watching, start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Create that ChatGPT account, ask it a question, see what happens.
And remember, every interaction with AI is English practice if you're using it in English.
Yes, you're literally getting paid or getting better results while improving your language skills.
All right, everyone, comment below. What's the first thing you'll use AI for? And have you already been using AI tools?
Let's learn from each other. Share your experiences, your concerns, your success stories.
See you in the next video.
Keep learning, keep adapting, and keep moving forward.